Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to change nickname on Facebook. So first of all here, open up your Facebook app and then tap on the menu icon at the top right hand corner of your screen to open up your profile. Then tap on this gear icon, which is the settings at the top right, and then tap on this account center. Now under your account center, just need to tap on your profiles and find your Facebook account. And then what you're going to do here, as you can see, tap on the name button at the top and it will show you this page. You can see at the bottom other names, so tap on the manage other names, and from here you can now type your nickname and you can enable the show at top of profile. And then once you've done, just need to tap on the save button at the bottom right. So that's how you basically change nickname on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.